Hello everyone. These days we are seeing artificial intelligence everywhere. From the apps we are using and from the website we are visiting, everywhere we are seeing artificial intelligence. And the way of working is also changing very fast, especially for programmers. Before they used to take many days just to write a piece of code, but now it can be achieved within hours or even in minutes. These all because of artificial intelligence, right? So today in this video we are going to break down some key concepts. What is artificial intelligence? What is machine learning? What exactly are models? And many of us have doubts like is artificial intelligence and machine learning both are same or both are different? Let me answer here. Artificial intelligence is a broader concept. Think of it like a trunk of the tree. Machine learning is the branches of the tree. Okay, so inside artificial intelligence we have machine learning. Inside machine learning we have deep learning here. And what exactly is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is nothing but making the machine to perform the task as we humans do. Whenever I talk to people about machine learning, many say machine learning is hard to learn. It has full of complex mathematics and formulas. But honestly, if I say machine learning is not that hard to understand, you just need to be good at predictions, and you need imagination and creativity. What if I tell you like if I start eating vegetables and fruits instead of junk foods, what will happen? I can predict right easily. My wealth will be better. And what if I tell you like I will wear t-shirts instead of shirts? It won't change much, right? It doesn't have any impact, right? So machine learning is all about finding these kind of patterns. Machine learning is all about teaching the machine how to learn from data. Let us say you want to teach your machine whether the given image is an apple or not. So basically, how do we humans know whether the given image is apple or not? Because we have studied this, right? We have seen these apple images in the books, and from that knowledge, we are able to recognize whether it's an apple or not, right? So similar way, we have to show the images of an apple to the machines. So from that, machine will be able to recognize the given image is an apple or not. Let us see another example. If you want to buy a car, what we are going to do, we are going to check the price, model, specification, brand. Sometimes we may ask our friends. So based on that, we are going to decide, right, which car we are going to buy or not. Machine learning works in a similar way. Now let us see what is model. In simple terms, model is the set of rules used to make predictions. Now let us see a practical example of spam detection. Here we have a data. In the data, 70 messages are spam out of 100. So with this information, our model is able to predict that there could be spam messages, but it may not be true, right? So let us see the second set of data. Here, am is nothing but it is the opposite of spam. Okay, on Monday it is ham, Tuesday all ham, Wednesday ham, Thursday ham, Friday ham, Saturday it is spam, and Sunday also it is spam. So with this information, we can predict that during weekends it is spam and during weekday our model will be able to predict ham message. Okay, now let us see another set of data. Here 1 KB message is ham, 25 KB message is spam, 5 KB ham, 23 KB spam, 3 KB ham, and 6 KB ham. So with this information, a model will be able to tell that greater than 25 KB or 20 KB messages are spam. Okay, okay. And let us see another set of data. Here 1 KB message is on Monday, 25 KB message is on Sunday. It is spam. It is a spam. Okay. 5 KB on Tuesday. It is ham. Okay. and it is 3 KB on Saturday, it can be considered as ham message since it is a 3 KB message, and 3 KB on Wednesday it is ham, 6 KB on Thursday it is also ham. So with this information our model will be able to tell what are the ham and spam messages based on the attachments and on the days as well. Now let us see another set of data. If the message is not in our if the message from not in our contact list, and if the attachment is greater than 15 KB or 20 KB whatever, and if the message has more spelling mistake, and if the message contains win or buy messages by text. So with this all this information our model will be able to predict so well that what are the spam messages and what are the ham messages. This is all about machine learning. Thanks for watching.